The word DevOps is a combination of the terms development and operations, meant to represent a collaborative or shared approach to the tasks performed by a company's application development and IT operations teams. Let's assume that Gary is a DevOps engineer working for Instagram. His job is to collaborate with different teams and make sure the DevOps pipeline is running smoothly to release frequent updates. Before Gary, Instagram used to create and release updates after every 2 months. But when Gary joined as the DevOps engineer, the plan was to release updates every 3 days to keep the users happy. Now users are more happy as they can use new features on a daily basis and get what they ask for due to the faster release cycle. DevOps teams use various tools to automate and accelerate processes, which helps to increase reliability. A DevOps toolchain helps teams tackle important DevOps fundamentals and go through its phases including continuous integration, continuous delivery, automation, and collaboration. Teams use various DevOps tools to help them facilitate a DevOps culture in their organization. Most teams rely on specific tools for their pipelines, building custom toolchains that fit their needs for each phase in the application lifecycle. DevOps cloud teams use tools like Docker, Selenium, Jenkins, and Kubernetes. These are just a few tools amidst an array of DevOps tools. DevOps influences the application lifecycle throughout its plan, develop, deliver, and operate phases. Each phase relies on the other and the phases are not role specific. Plan. In the plan phase, DevOps teams ideate, define, and describe features and capabilities of the applications and systems they are building. They track progress at low and high levels of granularity, from single product tasks to tasks that span portfolios of multiple products. Develop. The develop phase includes all aspects of coding, writing, testing, reviewing, and the integration of code by team members, as well as building that code into build artifacts that can be deployed into various environments. DevOps teams seek to innovate rapidly without sacrificing quality, stability, and productivity. Deliver. Delivery is the process of deploying applications into production environments in a consistent and reliable way. The delivery phase also includes deploying and configuring the fully governed foundational infrastructure that makes up those environments. Operate. The operating phase involves maintaining, monitoring, and troubleshooting applications in production environments. In adopting DevOps practices, teams work to ensure system reliability, high availability, and aim for zero downtime while reinforcing security and governance. Professionals can become a DevOps engineer coming from different backgrounds. A DevOps engineer should have various skills and they can't just be DevOps tools. Let's have a quick look at the other skills a DevOps engineer should have. A DevOps engineer should have one high-level programming language like Java, C++, or C#. Should also know Linux, SQL, cloud technologies like AWS, Azure, or GCP, scripting languages like Perl, Bash, or Python. On an average basis, DevOps engineer earns 5 lakhs per annum to 14 lakhs per annum in India, while in the USA, a DevOps engineer earns from $125,000 per year.